Hey guys, it's Amin from Life Immersed. Sorry I haven't made a video in a couple weeks. Wasn't really sure which direction I wanted to take this channel in, so for that reason I started pausing. I really had to think about what I was going to do. So I decided I want to share with you what I've made, the mistakes I've made in the last 7 years. I graduated school at 21. California, you start off about $40 an hour, which translates to about $70,000 a year, or $75,000 a year. That's a 21-year-old making $75,000 a year, had no clue what to do with money. And I guess most of it, I blew. Just did stupid things, didn't know what a 403 was, didn't invest, didn't do a 401k. It all was about party, 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 blow money, buy nice car, enjoy nice clothes, didn't really give a thing. So, and speaking to a lot of my colleagues, that's what they done. And they get to their 30s, 40s, even 50s and 60s, and they have no plan about retirement, no savings. All they know is living paycheck to paycheck. And if somebody had told me when I was 21, hey, Amin, why don't you live with $20 an hour? Because that's what you did. I was a CNA making $13 an hour. So $20 an hour, if I was thinking I only made $20 an hour in my head, I was still living $7 an hour more than I was making as a student. So if I had just somebody had told me, Amin, why don't you for the next couple years live at $20 an hour and save $20 of what you make? But nobody tells you that. Nobody, when you're in school, middle school, high school, elementary, whatever, nobody says, hey, this is how you become rich. No, you learn how to do math, you learn how to do algebra, you learn how to do stupid stuff that, when do you ever use? Yeah, math is important, English and writing is important. I could speak to you, otherwise I wouldn't have a degree, you know? But that's not my point. My point is how to make you guys financially independent. Don't be 50 or 60 and thinking, oh man, I gotta work until I'm 80, otherwise I won't be able to retire. No, I want all of us to be able to retire at 30, 40, 50, whatever your goal is, and then do things you work. If you wanna work, work. It shouldn't be something that you have to do to pay the bills. So I learned that over the last 7 years, especially the last 3 years, where I'm like, oh, you know, you need to invest, you need to plan for the future. As things are more and more going towards artificial intelligence, I'm not saying nursing is going to get replaced in the next 10 years, but 20, 30 years, the people that are coming out of school today, you guys may in the next 20 years be looking for a job. I think I'm going to be farther enough in my career where I won't have to worry about artificial intelligence replacing me, but the ones that are 19, 20 years old today, you guys may be looking, you know, when you're in your 40s and 50s that a robot can do your job. I'm not saying it's going to do it as effectively as you are, but there's a very likely chance that things are changing. We didn't anticipate cars to be driving by themselves 10 years ago.